We gotta keep that president alive. But if we're at the front, we give you the signal to bring the president up. Okay.
These three in front of us are out.
Straight up is out.
Yeah, but we got a guy back in those bushes back behind us. Alright. I just shot that guy right there coming out of the bushes. Yeah.
Behind you, going around.
What's that?
Going around behind you.
Going around. Okay.
Come on, think,
It's game.